Today we're hiking out to Aquario Beach. We rode out. How far do you think we rode to get here?
I have no idea.
5 miles maybe? 4? Left our bikes locked to a tree. You have to go through a gate and pay a few pesos to a guy, so I think the bikes are pretty safe out here. And now we're climbing up over this little mountain, which is a peninsula, and then we'll go out to a beach we've heard about.
Trail goes on that way, but...
I think it does, but there's a view.
Oh, wow.
Wow. Not in Colorado anymore.
Small vector kind of thing.
The water is really clear down there.
Beautiful. You see the rocks right there.
These cactus up here are amazing. It's pretty cool going through the desert with the ocean right there.
Yeah.
Good trail.
Yep. Oh my goodness.
Look at that. Holy
Wow.
crap. Sea of Cortez.
Very awesome.
Wow. Headed down to that little cove right there, I believe. Can't wait. Headed down to El Aquario Beach. Not a bad hike. A little steep right at the beginning, but through the beach. There's one boat out there. It might be snorkeling or scuba diving or something. But other than that, we have it to ourselves. This does not suck.
Not at all. Happy birthday to Duke.
Oh, shut it. I refuse to have a birthday today.
Hi, everybody. Duke just says say something. I don't know what to ever say on these things. Sorry.
You're supposed to comment on the beauty of the surroundings here.
It's beautiful.
Good. That's nice.
It's pretty spectacular.
All right, I guess.
I'm finding lots of cool shells. The water's a little cold.
Summer water isn't all that warm.
Does it feel better now that you went all the way in?
Yeah.
Sort
A
of.
little chilly. This place to ourselves. Goodbye for now. Beautiful beach. That was awesome. Had it to ourselves for most of the day. And then now we're hiking back out. Tacos and beer. Vultures.
But I'm not dead yet.
You will be.